What if I told you that having fun isn't something that you earn after success, but actually the way to success? Hi, I'm Kushi, and I have just one goal with this channel, which is to make learning cool again, make learning fun. I think learning makes you more curious, more confident, and a little more excited to live your life. So let's get into it. Ever since we were kids, we were told that having fun is something that you have to earn. एक बार मैं बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स ले आऊँ, एक बार मैं बहुत पढ़ाई कर लूँ, उसके बाद मैं मज़े करूँगी. या let me get my first job, let me earn a lot of money, and then maybe I can think of having fun, because having fun, enjoying something is luxury, right? Somewhere along the way, we started believing that if you have to do something worthwhile, if you have to do something important, you have to be serious all the time. There is no way that you can be enjoying. No pain, no gain. People who are intelligent cannot be happy. That if you want to succeed in life, fun is something that you will have to sacrifice. And today, in this video, I am here to break that misconception. Because in reality, the people who are succeeding, the people who are at the top of their game, they're fun maxing. Okay, let me ask you something. What is the secret to mastering anything? Anything you want to be great at, how do you get there? Anything you want to excel, how do you do that? What is the process? No, it's not talent, it's not motivation. What is it? It's discipline, right? It's showing up again and again and again. It's staying in the game longer than anyone else. And how do you do that? How do you do that when you hate the process itself? The only way to stay in the game longer than anyone else, the only way to show up over and over again is when you're enjoying the process, when you're having so much fun, when you love what you do. Think of all legends. Think of Taylor Swift, think of Ronaldo, think of Virat Kohli, think of Elon Musk also. What is one thing that they have in common? Why are they experts in their fields? It's because they love the process so much. Elon Musk loves things related to space. I don't know much about him, so I won't talk about it. But Virat Kohli and Ronaldo and Taylor Swift, they all have one thing in common, which is that they are fun maxing. Virat Kohli loves playing cricket, Ronaldo loves playing football, and Taylor Swift loves writing songs. She just loves songwriting. And their love for the game is higher than anything else in the world for them. Let me tell you that discipline without love and affection is just another form of punishment. You're putting yourself in a box when you're not having fun, and the only time you should be in a box is when you're dead. The only way you can excel in your field is when consistency stops feeling like a chore. You're not feeling like when the alarm rings, you're not feeling कि oh no, अब मुझे उठ के काम पे जाना होगा. You should be excited about कि oh yes, सुबह होगी, मुझे तो काम पे जाना होगा. Okay, let me give you my example. I get so many questions on content creation every day. How much money do you make? How do I get more views? How do I get more likes? How do I get more followers? And yes, they're all very sensible questions, but I don't think that they're the right questions to ask. I'll tell you why they're the wrong kind of questions. And I'll get a lot of hate for saying this, but until you love the process, until you love making videos, you love editing, you love filming, in my case, teaching and sharing whatever interesting fact that I have, I don't think you should get into content creation, simply because you won't be able to last long enough. 4 videos in a row don't get enough views and you're done. You're like, मुझे नहीं करना ये, मुझे मज़ा ही नहीं आ रहा इसमें. I would be creating videos even if nobody was watching. My YouTube channel is not doing great right now. I have some 700 subscribers on my YouTube channel, but I'm still showing up because I love the process of this thing. I love sharing my thoughts with you guys. I love teaching you new things. I love making videos. The views are great, the followers are great, but that's not why I started content creation. I started because I loved making videos. Okay, that's great, Khushi. We've established that fun maxing is the way to get ahead in life. Fun maxing is how you get successful. But how do we do that? I can't quit my job and, follow my dreams and only do things I enjoy. Very true. So let me tell you how to add fun into your day-to-day life. The goal is not to work hard. Obviously, you have to work hard in any field if you want to do well. Even if you're having a lot of fun, you have to work hard. The question is how to make that hard work fun, even a little 10% joyful. Say, for example, if you have to go to the gym, you just have to go to the gym. There's nothing you can do about it. I make my workouts fun in the way that I put on my favorite playlist and I wear a cute pink outfit to the gym, and I'm having a lot of fun then. As soon as I've put on a pink outfit, half the work is done. I'm looking in the mirror and I'm enjoying what I see. Say you want to be more disciplined with workouts and you have to get some movement in your life and you hate running, right? you don't have to run. You can go for a dance class. Dance is movement. The goal is to get some movement. The goal is not to run. If you have to eat 100 grams of protein every day, how can you make it tasty? There's so many recipes. Just look them up. Say, for example, you want to get into reading. You're just like, I can't get myself to read. Maybe it's not because you don't have it in you, but probably that the book that you've picked up is not the right one. For the first time ever, pick up a genre that you love. Pick up a genre that you know you'll enjoy. You don't have to start with non-fiction. You can start with fiction and move towards non-fiction and productivity books. Don't make your life miserable just because you think that to be successful you have to do hard things. That's not true. Yes, you have to do hard things, but you can do hard things while enjoying hard things. And if you're somebody who feels that you're stuck in your work and there's no way that you can make it fun, make life outside of work fun. Because why are you living? Your goal in life is to have a fun life, is to enjoy, is to be happy. Your end goal is not to work. Your end goal is to build a life that brings you joy. If you can't make work fun, make your life outside of work fun. Get a lot of hobbies that you're passionate about. Start painting, start singing, start playing badminton, because that is what makes life worth living. You're going to be a rat in a rat race regardless of what field you're in. You're a rat in corporate. I have left corporate. I'm into content creation now. There's a rat race here also. But if you're going to be a rat, you might as well have fun being a rat. All I'm trying to say is don't wait until you're successful to have fun. Have fun now, and you'll realize that success was following fun all along. That's all.